welcome to Times Foodie. Since Christmas is around the corner, we are going to make super awesome cookies today. These are called gingerbread cookies. So let's get started. So foremost, we are going to need brown sugar, but the brown sugar needs to be ground to a fine powder. So the powdered brown sugar is ready. So now let's whisk the dry ingredients together. First we'll be adding the Maida. Next goes in the ginger powder, the spice mix, which is a combination of cinnamon, cloves and nutmeg, the baking soda. Now it's time to sieve all the ingredients. Now for the wet ingredients. Here I am using unsalted butter. This is at the room temperature. We need to cream this butter. As you can see, the butter has turned nice and pale. At this point of time, I am going to add the brown sugar. Let's mix it up. Let's cream the sugar and butter together again till light and fluffy. Next I am going to add molasses to this recipe. The molasses gives it a very beautiful brown color and added sweetness to our gingerbread cookies. Let's whisk it once again. So our wet ingredients are ready. Now we are going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Now we'll gently mix everything together and form a nice dough. I'm going to use my hand to bring it all together. As you can see, our dough is ready. I'm going to pop it into the refrigerator for 10 minutes and then we'll roll it. I'm going to dust some Maida on the parchment. Place the chilled dough on the parchment. Flatten it out with my hand. Dust a little Maida on top. Place another parchment above it. Again, flatten it a little bit. And now I'm going to roll it. Be careful while rolling the dough. You need to flatten it evenly, otherwise the cookie will turn out uneven. These look ready. Let's remove the parchment. So I'm going to use this gingerbread cookie cutter. You can find this in the market. Let's cut the cookies. Let's remove the excess. Do this very gently and carefully. Do not discard the excess. We'll be using it for rolling more cookies. Let's remove the cutouts very gently, like this. And then we'll place these on the baking tray. Place the cookies at equal distance. Now we are going to bake it at 160 degrees for 20 minutes. While the cookies are baking, let's make the frosting for them. Here I have taken icing sugar. I am going to add water to it little by little. It's around 1 tablespoon of water. Let's mix it. Remember to add water gradually. We don't want the frosting to be too runny. Keep mixing. So this is the consistency we need. I'm going to put this into a piping bag and then decorate our cookies. As said, I have poured the frosting into the piping bag. So now let's frost the cookies. Similarly, we'll frost the rest of the cookies. Our gingerbread cookies are ready. So this Christmas, treat your family and loved ones to these cute delights. Do try this recipe and let us know how it was. Merry Christmas!